So now Adam and Eve. As Milton says, we imagine as they are the children of God. They are living in heaven. So one world is there in heaven, God and their only children, two children, Adam and Eve, they are living. And the other side, the hell is there. In the hell, Satan is there. So when Satan knew that Adam and Eve, they are enjoying their life in the Garden of Eden. There's a very nice imagination, Garden of Eden. Maybe in Kolkata we have Eden Garden Stadium, but this is Garden of Eden in heaven. So in this garden, Adam and Eve are enjoying their life. Yes, they are nude, without any clothes. So Adam and Eve are in the Garden of Eden and they are enjoying their life. Now God has realized. Now Satan has thought that these two should be killed. There should not be Adam and Eve. So Satan planned how to kill these two. Now God has realized that Satan is planning to kill Adam and Eve. Now God warned Adam and Eve not to go near to that forbidden tree. Second, not to eat that forbidden fruit. Two things, friends, be clear. Not to go to that forbidden tree and not to eat that forbidden fruit. It is prohibited. If you go and if you eat, you will be finished. So God warned Adam and Eve, don't come in the misunderstanding, in the persuasion of Satan for the forbidden things. But Adam said, okay. So now Satan took the shape of serpent, snake. He was in the hell, he was in the lava. Lava means very hot water. So serpent thought that I am suffering here and they people are enjoying there. So that's why he wanted to kill them. So the serpent became the snake, took the shape of the snake, and the snake is now entering in the Garden of Eden, and he tempted both to go near to that forbidden tree. Okay, and the God never permitted them to do so. Secondly, the serpent is very smart. He know, and the serpent knew that it is easy to tempt Eve. As by nature, women are uh, women have a double mind, or they are easily influenced, or they are not steady. Fluidity is the nature of women. So, serpent went to Eve and tempted Eve to take that forbidden fruit, and to eat that fruit. And friends, we are sorry, Eve ate that fruit. Not only that, Eve suggested Adam to eat that fruit also. So, unfortunately, now Adam also ate that fruit. So, this is a big mistake they have committed. And when they ate that fruit, immediately they realized their nudity. They knew that, oh my God, we are nude. They realized that they are without clothes. Then there is a description of their sex, their sexual life. And now God appeared. Yes, and now Satan ran away. He did his work. The Satan completed his work. So now both became aware of their nudity, and God appeared. God gave them punishment, that you have broken the rules. You not only reached that forbidden tree, you ate that forbidden fruit also. You should be punished. God gave the punishment, and Adam and Eve, they came to earth. They lost their paradise. They are banished from Garden of Eden. So, Milton's poem Paradise Lost means Adam, Eve lost the paradise. They lost the paradise, now they are shifted to the Mother Earth. So, on the earth, lot of pain is there, lot of problems are there, death is there. Death is the ultimate reality. So, paradise lost and paradise regained. Regained means Adam and Eve were sent to earth, and God gave punishment to Satan also. Satan was punished, and now Satan will be no more a Satan. He is snake forever. He has to pass his life in the form of snake. All were put on the earth. So we see the snakes are here on this Mother Earth, and Adam and Eve are here on the Mother Earth. And on earth, yes, but Adam and Eve can live better on this earth, but death is the ultimate reality. So, this is paradise lost, paradise regained. It's a sort of mythology, sort of Greek story. So, it is there in this way. Milton wrote the epic Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained. His wife, third wife, was lucky one for Milton, because with her help and with the help of her three daughters, Milton could finish Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained, because he was completely blind now. So the remaining 15 years 14 years rather, 15 years from 1660 to 1674, the year in which Milton died. Milton passed his remaining years peacefully, but with lot of work. As he has seen his political career in a very grand success way before Restoration and during the reign of Charles I and Charles II. And he had seen that period also, when he was sent to prison, he was banished, and Andrew Marvell saved him. Milton wrote a very beautiful poem on Shakespeare. As we know, Shakespeare died in, I think, 1660. 14 years before this poem was written. So Milton has a very high regard for Shakespeare. Milton wrote sonnet on Shakespeare. Milton wrote few sonnets, Petrarchan sonnets, in pentameter. I think you know Petrarch. Petrarch is a Greek poet in the 13th century. Petrarch introduced the form sonnet with pentameter, ABBA, DE, CD, ABBA, CD, DE. So we know that because Milton's life is mixture of politics. His blindness affected him a lot. So in that way he was a very serious fellow. He was not in that way full of enjoyment, because his life was full of problems. But he was on politics side, he got success also. So all poems of Milton, Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained, La Allegro, I El Penseroso, Lycidas, have tremendous success and great influence in English literature. And so Milton will be remembered in English after Shakespeare. It is very correct and very true. Thank you, friends, for listening. Thank you.
SANDHAN, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.